Okay, go for the next expansion of sine 3a. So in similar way, in previous formula replacing b equal to a, in this expansion replace b equal to 2a, replace b by 2a. So what will happen? Here you can see sine a plus 2a. So according to formula of sine a plus b, what will happen? Sine a cos 2a plus cos a sine 2a. And now replace cos 2a formula in terms of sine only. There are total four formulae of cos 2a. First in terms of sine cos both. Second formula in terms of only cos. Third formula in terms of only sine. And fourth formula of cos 2a in terms of tan. But if you want to proof of sine 3a, you must replace cos 2a in terms of sine. So cos 2a formula is nothing but 1 minus 2 sine square. And sine 2a, only one formula in terms of sine and cos, and another formula is for tan in terms of tan. But if you want to derive sine 3 in terms of sine, that's why replace sine 2a equal to 2 sine a into cos a. After open this bracket, you will get sine a into 2 sine cube a. And here is cos a into cos a, that is cos square a. And now replace this cos square is nothing but 1 minus sine square a. So finally, after open this bracket, sine a minus 2 sine cube a. So sine a and sine a, that is 3 sine a, and minus 2 sine cube minus 2 sine cube, that is minus 4 sine cube. So this is the formula of sine cube. Rearrange this formula and find the value of sine cube a. So after replacing transferring 4 sine cube from right side to left side, and sine 3a transfer from left to right. So what will be happen? You can see that here. So that is 4 sine cube equal to this one. After dividing 4, then finally formula of sine cube. So this is the formula of sine 3a and sine cube. Go for the next formula, that is cos 3a. So once again, cos of a plus 2a, that is equal to cos a cos 2a minus sine a sine 2a. So now replace cos 2a equal to, now you will derive the formula of cos 3a. So you should convert cos 2a equal to formula only in terms of cos a. So there are total four formula of cos 2a, but you need to write cos 3a in terms of only cos. That's why you replace cos 2a equal to 2 cos square minus 1. Okay, so now here replace cos 2a equal to 2 cos square minus 1, and sin 2a is only single formula, that is 2 sin a into cos a. After open this bracket, you will get 2 cos q minus cos a, and substitute here sin into sin square a, and substitute sin square equal to 1 minus cos square a. Once again open this bracket, so finally you will get 4 cos q minus 3 cos a. So finally cos 3a, formula of cos 3a. Rearrange this formula, I mean find the value of cos q a. So transfer minus 3 cos a from right to left and divide by 4. So what will happen? You can see here. So finally cos q a. Okay. Now find the formula of tan 3a. So now replace b equal to 2a. So what will happen? You can see here. So tan a plus 2a, that is equal to tan a plus tan 2a divided by 1 minus tan a tan 2a. Now substitute the formula of tan 2a. So tan 2a is nothing but 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan squared a, as well as denominator numerator both. So now taking LCM, so tan a into 1 minus tan square a plus 2 tan a whole divided by 1 minus tan square. Similarly in numerator denominator, so 1 into 1 minus tan square, and tan a into tan a, that is 2 tan square whole divided by 1 minus tan square. Denominator will be cancelled. So finally we will get this one. Okay, now open this bracket. So finally we will get formula of tan 3a. Okay, so this is the formula of tan 3. More important, more two formulas of related to tan. Replace b equal to pi by 4, a is as it is. So tan of a plus pi by 4. So tan a tan pi by 4, 1 minus tan a pi by 4. Finally tan pi by 4 is 1. So we will get tan of pi by 4 plus a equal to 1 plus tan a 1 minus tan. So if you want to write 1 plus tan a minus 1 minus tan a, that will be replaced by the tan of a pi by 4 plus a. Similarly 1 minus tan a upon 1 plus tan a, we can write tan pi by 4 minus a. Okay, so these are the basic important formulae. And next formula, that is expansion of sine raised to n cos raised to n. For example sine square formula already discussed earlier sine square formula, cos square formula, sine cube formula, cos cube formula, already discussed. Okay, already we have discussed all these formulae earlier. But if you want to expand sine raised to 4, cos raised to 4, sine raised to 5, cos raised to 5 for integration purpose. Suppose that you want to integrate integration of sine raised to 4 theta. So what will we do? What will we do? Sine raised to 4 theta can be written as sine square, then replace the sine square formula, and once again sine square formula, then open this bracket. This is the one of the method. But uh, directly, if you have any other technique, directly expand sine raised to 4 without substituting sine square. So that will be more better. So this topic, I mean expansion of sine raised to n and cos raised to n, we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, so thank you for listening this lecture, and hope so this is beneficial for you. Okay, so okay, thank you.